Welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting story about a big breakthrough in solar panel recycling. A startup in Venice called 9Tech has found a new way to recycle solar panels. If you care about clean energy and a sustainable future, you're going to love this. Stay with us to see how 9Tech is changing the game. Countries around the world are turning to solar energy to get cleaner power. Every year, we're adding a huge amount of solar power to the grid, about 400 gigawatts, and this number is expected to be 4 times bigger by the end of the decade. But with more solar panels, there's a big question: what happens to them when they wear out? Solar panels are built to last for over 30 years, which makes them really tough. Recycling them isn't easy. Most solar panels are made from layers of silicon wafers, silver and copper conductors, and a sticky polymer adhesive, all encased in glass and aluminum. Traditional recycling methods often involve burning off the adhesive, which releases harmful gases, or using harsh chemicals like hydrofluoric acid to get the valuable materials. This process is not only difficult but also bad for the environment. But now 9Tech is changing everything. At their pilot plant in Venice, they've created a new way to recycle solar panels that's efficient and doesn't use toxic chemicals. Here's how their process works. First, they take off the aluminum frame and tempered glass. Next, they heat the remaining parts, silicon wafers, metal conductors, and the sticky polymer in a furnace to over 400 degrees Celsius. The polymer vaporizes and a filter catches any fumes. They repurpose the heat from the furnace, making the process more energy efficient. The leftovers are then separated using sieves and rollers to separate the silicon and copper. They use an organic acid and ultrasound technology to separate silver from the silicon pieces. This method avoids harmful chemicals and makes sure the separation is clean and efficient. 9Tech's method is great for the environment and also saves money. By recovering up to 99% of the components, they reduce the need for new raw materials and cut down on landfill waste. This process supports a circular economy, meaning materials are reused instead of thrown away, promoting sustainable manufacturing practices. The success of 9Tech's pilot plant shows that this method can be scaled up for larger operations. As more and more people use solar energy, this innovative recycling technology could become the standard, drastically reducing the environmental impact of solar panel waste. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on amazing clean energy innovations.